Hello friends, my name is Alisha Shrivastava of class 8th Heaven, and today I am going to show you all rose sweets on the occasion of Festival of Light, or you can say Diwali. So let's 2 cup milk powder, half cup of milk, half teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi powder, 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar powder. Here I have taken my favorite color, food color. You can take your favorite color, food color, and a bottle cap and a roller. You have to take 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now half and half cup milk. Now you have to stir the content till it's boiled. Add milk powder of a cup and stir the content till it becomes a dough. Dough-like mixture. Once the dough is prepared, you have to add cardamom powder or elaichi powder. After adding cardamom powder, you have to add sugar powder. And this second spoon. You have to mix the content like this. Once the dough is prepared, you have to take a dough in a plate and leave it for 10 minutes for cooling down. Once the dough is cooled down, you have to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. You have to mash it with your hands. You should observe that it should not be stick out with plate, and you have to make a smooth dough. Now cut this dough in 3 parts. Now you have to take 3 bowls and take these 3 parts in each bowl. In first dough, you have to take food color, orange food color. You can take your favorite food color. It's totally up to you. You want to take another color, you can take. Now mix this. And again you have to make a smooth dough. In second dough, you have to take yellow food color. And again mix this. dough, you have to take to green food color and repeat the process. Now pour some little bit ghee for greasing. Now take orange dough and like this. Fold the cellophane paper like this. And roll it with roller. Now take one bottle cap and put like this and press for making circle shape. After slicing the dough in circular shape, we have to make rose petals. So what's the process? The process is you have to keep the circles like this. Now roll this all like. After doing that, you have to make like this and spread all the petals like this. This process you have to repeat with the yellow dough too, like this. I will show you that how to make yellow rose petal. This method is too easy. You can do. डॉगी कोई बात नहीं. You have to repeat this, roll down this slowly. See. Now spread all the petals like this. With the process of orange and yellow dough, you have to make a circle. For the green dough. Now take a cap and cut it down in a leaf shape like this. One side here and one side here. Like this, you have to cut all this circular shape. After cutting all the leaves, it will look something like this. Now take this rose sweets and we will stick this leaf shape with this. Like this. Right. Now we will repeat the whole process with all the 4 sweets, and it will look something like this.